Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Sunny of Sunrise 75 Channel, the home of educational and positive videos. At sa araw na ito, it's very remarkable. What do we have for today? It's a very special day for me and of course for the other members of the family. We're going to tell you about the places here, I mean the areas here of Buso-Buso Highland Resort, so that we can tell you, makita nyo kung anong meron dito sa Buso-Buso Highland Resort. And if you're interested to visit this place and to have, probably later on, as one of your venues for your bonding, for your other activities, you can have this place. So tara, samahan nyo kami.